Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to invite friends on Gardenscapes. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your Gardenscapes application and start playing the game. Inviting friends to play Gardenscapes can be a fun way to interact with others in the game. Here is how you can easily invite a friend. First of all, you first need to connect to a social media. Go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right and click on Save Progress. Make sure that you are logged into your Gardenscapes account with the social media app like Facebook. Once you are logged in, the next thing to do is to look for the friends icon within the game. Your friends icon will be located at the bottom left of the main gameplay page. Simply give it a tap and then tap on friends on the left hand side menu. Now you will be able to see the invite button in green. Tap on invite at the bottom left and you can then select either the Facebook invite option or the green invite option. If you choose the Facebook invite, this will want to open up the Messenger app. Simply tap on open and select one of the friends you'd like to invite to the game and tap on the send button right next to them. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send an invitation via Facebook to one of your friends. If you choose the green invite button, you will now need to select one of the messaging application and select your friends you'd like to invite by tapping on them and forward the invitation to them by tapping yes. Soon after the invitation has been sent, and once your friend accepts your invitation and joins into Gardenscape, you'll be able to claim your reward. But remember that your friend should also reach level 7 so that you can claim your reward on Gardenscape. Your friend will now receive an invitation to play Gardenscapes. If they accept the invitation and install the game, they will become your in-game friends. So that was how you can easily invite a friend on Gardenscape within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.